Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps to fix the issue of UC Browser not working properly on your phone. To begin, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and select Apps or App Management, depending on your phone model. Next, use the search bar at the top to find UC Browser. Then tap on it to open the app settings. Once you're there, select Storage and Cache and press Clear Cache to remove temporary files that might be causing the problem. After clearing the cache, head back to the previous screen and tap Force Stop. Then confirm your choice. This will completely close the app in the background. Now open the Google Play Store, search for UC Browser, and check if there's an available update. If there is, install it to ensure you're using the latest version. As a final step, restart your phone to refresh the system. That's all you need to do. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech guides.